In this video, we are going to find the domain of f of x equals 6 over the square root of 3 plus the absolute value of x, and we're going to write our answer in interval notation. Okay, so how do we find the domain of this function? Well, we have 6 in the numerator, and then in the denominator, we see that we have the square root of 3 plus the absolute value of x. So what we want to check is, first we want to make sure that the denominator is not 0, and then we also want to make sure that everything under the square root symbol is greater than 0. So I want to check that 3 plus the absolute value of x is greater than 0. Okay, so I can subtract 3 from both sides to get that the absolute value of x is greater than minus 3. So what do we know about the absolute value symbol? Well, the absolute value of a number is always going to be greater than or equal to 0, right? For example, if I take the absolute value of minus 5, that equals 5. If I take the absolute value of 3, that equals 3. So if we're getting that the absolute value of a number is greater than minus 3, what this basically tells us is that x can be all real numbers. So how do we write that in interval notation? Well, that means that x can be anything. So we write this as curved parentheses minus infinity to positive infinity. And this denotes all real numbers. So this is our final answer. If this video is helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.